Hello everyone, I am Dr. Vinayak Ankush Damgude, cornea cataract consultant at AEHI Sanpada unit of Agarwal Eye Hospital. Every day I see lots of cataract patients, and whenever they are advised to undergo cataract surgery, they have anxious look. This is because there are lots of misconceptions fed in their mind by other people who had undergone cataract surgery 20 years back. So the aim of this video is to make you understand the recent advances in cataract surgery and burst all the myths related to the cataract surgery. So modern day cataract surgery is a different surgery than what it was 10 to 15 years back. Earlier there was larger incision needs to be stitched up. There are lots of complications associated with the cataract surgery, and after surgery there was more dependence on spectacles. But nowadays ophthalm field has changed drastically, and it has changed the perspective towards the cataract surgery. Nowadays cataract surgery is a surgery which is done without injection. It is done with a topical anesthesia. It is a stitchless surgery. No suture is used most of the times, and incision is so small that recovery is almost quick. So let's go into the details of a modern day cataract surgery. There are different types of cataract extraction. First, SICS. It is a small incision cataract surgery. As the name suggests, it consists of small incision measuring around 5 to 6 mm. It is a very good method and well time tested method of cataract removal. Even nowadays it is used for removal of mature cataract and hard cataract like brown and black cataract. Only downside is it has more recovery time, around 3 weeks, and it induces lots of astigmatism. Second method of cataract extraction is phacoemulsification. This is the modern day cataract surgery. In general public, it is famous by the name of laser cataract surgery, but it is a misnomer. It uses ultrasound energy and not laser energy. It consists of only small incision measuring about 2 mm. And as the incision is small, surgically induced astigmatism is very less in this type of cataract surgery. We have modern imported phacoemulsification machine in our hospital. So it has made the surgery very safe, reliable, and we can deliver excellent post-op result repeatedly with the help of this machine. The latest advancement in cataract extraction is FLACS, that is femtolaser assisted cataract surgery. As the name suggests, it uses femtosecond laser. Initial steps of phacoemulsification like corneal incision, capsulotomy, fragmentation of nucleus of a cataract is done with the help of femtolaser, and then it is followed by a routine phacoemulsification. There are various newer IOL intraocular lens available in the market. Depending upon the kind of vision it imparts, these lenses are divided into 3 types. First, monofocal lenses, second, multifocal lenses, third, trifocal lenses. So monofocal lenses give you vision at a far distance, and we have a soft monofocal lenses available which can be inserted through a smaller incision of phacoemulsification. Second type is multifocal lens. Multifocal lens is a bifocal lens. As the name suggests, it provides clear vision at a near distance as well as far distance. These lenses make patient spectacle independent. The dependence over the spectacle gets significantly reduced after implanting these multifocal IOLs. But there are issues associated with it like nighttime halos and glares. Third type of lens, which is the most advanced IOL available in the market, is a trifocal lens. As the name suggests, it provides clear vision at near distance, at intermediate distance, and at far distance. Trifocal lenses are most suitable to those who spend lots of time over computer, and it has very less halos and glares as compared to the multifocal lens. There is one more type of lens, that is a toric IOL. toric IOL can be monofocal toric or multifocal toric or trifocal toric. It corrects your pre-existing corneal astigmatism. If you have cylindrical power more than 1 diopter before surgery, usually such type of lenses are advised to the patients. Pre-operative evaluation is the most important step in modern day cataract surgery. In our hospital, it is done with the latest machine. Few pre-existing conditions like corneal scar, glaucoma, uveitis needs to be ruled out if patient is opting for a premium IOL. There are various examinations done prior to surgery like slit lamp examination, IOL master to know the exact axial length of eyeball, topography, specular microscopy, and OCT retina. OCT retina is a CT scan of retina. It gives exact status of retinal health. Almost all patients ask me, do I need to wear glasses after cataract surgery? My answer is, it depends upon post-op refraction, and post-op refraction depends upon multiple factors like IOL power, effective lens position, corneal astigmatism, and other retinal pathology. With the help of newer machines that we use for pre-operative evaluation, some factors can be controlled, but there are few factors which cannot be controlled. So our aim of doing cataract surgery is to make patients spectacle free. This aim can be achieved in few of the scenarios, but spectacle free status cannot be guaranteed. As a surgeon to my patient, I can promise that the dependence upon spectacle will get reduced significantly. That means patient might have to use glasses for reading smaller fonts, but he or she doesn't have to use glasses for most of the routine activities. So that's all I have for you in this video. I hope I have cleared most of your doubts. If you have any doubts, you can just type it in the comment section, or you can visit me or consult me at AEHI Sanpada by taking prior appointment. Thank you.